I was up in, make me feel like that.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be working with Wiggins Hair. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video, and I will leave all the information for this wig down below. So I got me a nice little deep wave textured unit. You guys, this install was super easy, super quick. I didn't have to do any styling, so love that. And it's about 24 inches, so you guys know that's like my favorite length. It's like perfect. It gives you room to layer and cut if you want, but also it gives you length at the same time. So I think 24 is like the perfect length universally. That's just my opinion. The only thing I did to this wig before installing it was wash and condition the hair. I didn't have to bleach the knots or pluck anything. I will be plucking it throughout this install, but that's just like my preference for this wig because it was plucked really nice. So even though the wig was plucked, I was more so just customizing it to myself and my hairline, and I tried like a different technique today, which we'll talk about in a second. But yeah, that's all that I had to do. And also, you don't have to style this hair, you guys. All I'm doing is like parting my hair. You can do a half up, half down. You can do a flip over. You can do a side part. You can do whatever you want with this. But I want to do a middle part, and I just added some mousse and some water. That's all you need on this hair. You don't have to do anything else, and I let it air dry. This was literally, again, one of the quicker installs simply because of the texture of the hair. It's really low maintenance, and it doesn't require much at all. I don't know what got into me, but I wanted to try the whole widow's peak thing, but really subtly. I didn't want to go too much into it because like I have a slight widow's peak on my natural hairline, but it's not crazy. So I was like, let me try to like mimic my hairline, and I just did it like this. I didn't really know what I was doing. I've seen people like yanking those two little pieces out, but baby, you guys are gonna see when I tried to pull, I was like, oh, I'm gonna rip the lace. So just take it in little sections. Like even though those are little sections, take smaller sections and just remove the hair, or you can pluck it with the tweezer, but you're trying to get rid of all of that hair so it can mimic like a widow's peak kind of illusion. It was kind of easy. I'm gonna work on it and polish it, but for the first time I think I did pretty good. And I also really like this lace on the wig. It was really thin. It melted into my skin. The only thing that messed me up was my makeup. I hate when I get liquid foundation on my lace. I always just use powder around the hairline, but I messed up that day, so oh well. But other than that, the lace, you guys, is amazing. So this is how the hair looks. I normally would honestly just walk out like this, but I want to show you guys the true potential of the hair. So I'm just gonna comb through it, detangle it a little bit with the wide tooth comb, spray it with some water, then I'm gonna add some mousse and then brush it with my like wet brush or Denman brush, whatever they want to call it. And that's it, you guys. And then I did seal it with some oil like later, just to give it a little luster, but it's so quick to detangle. I didn't have to take sections. I could literally do like one half and then the other half. I didn't have to like do small sections and then split those in half and then that's too much work. We are girls on the go and we have things to do. We don't have time to be doing all that extra stuff with our hair. So my hair did dry about 85% while I was doing my makeup, and I'm just adding some finishing touches on my hair and blending that lace in a little bit more, and then I'm going to kind of fluff the curls out because I don't want to get it too big, but I like my hair to have a little bit more volume. And that's pretty much it, you guys. The look came out super cute. I actually do kind of like the widow's peak. We're gonna work on it again. I can't wait to try it again because I'm like, wow, I finally did it. I thought it was so much more complicated than that, but it wasn't. But anyways, this is the completed look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys check out the description box to check out Wiggins Hair, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.